Cinema Studio. 2.0 is here and it is absolutely insane. If you don't know what Cinema 2.0 is, a few videos back I talked about Higgsfield's Cinema Studio. It is an absolute game changer for the world of AI video creation, and they've just dropped their latest version, which is Cinema 2.0. It is mind-blowing. I'm just going to walk you through what the latest updates are for Cinema 2.0 and why we are super excited for this latest version now. And I'm just going to go over to the Higgsfield platform so you can see, walk with me step by step on how we use Cinema Studio. So if you go on the Higgsfield's official page, you'll be on this explore page. All you have to do is if you want to generate a video, you go over to here at the video and you select from all their video generators. They have the best video generators, all of them, from the latest video generation models to the older versions. All of them are here. So if you want VEO3, if you want Clean, if you want C-Dance 1, all of them, they are right here in Higgsfield. The same thing goes for image generation. The best models, Nano Banana Pro, Seed Dream, GPT, Flux, all of the best video generators are here. So what we are talking about today is Cinema Studio. Now, if you've never heard about Higgsfield Cinema Studio, then you're probably just creating random AI videos. This right here is a game changer. If I come here to Cinema Studio and I click Cinema Studio, I get welcomed with this panel. So if you've not generated any image from Cinema Studio, yours might be looking blank. But because I've generated a lot of images and videos, that's why my own is populated here with a lot of videos and images. So right off the bat, if you want to generate an image, you just come here to image. The way it works, you generate an image or you upload an image that you've already generated using whatever model image generator you want, or maybe an actual shot photographer took, or an AI generated image. Whatever it is, you upload it here, and then from that image you convert it to video with the different styles. So now when you come here to image, you have an option to choose from different camera lenses, different types of camera and different aperture and focal lengths, all that good stuff that an actual cinematographer or filmmaker would need when creating videos. Now Cinema Studio is giving you all of the tools like you are an actual cinematographer to create whatever you want. Now, I'm going to talk about the latest updates, which has gotten me super excited, but let me just walk you through the Cinema Studio so you understand how to use this tool. So if you come here, you can choose the type of camera you want, you can choose the type of lens you want, you can choose your focal length, you can choose your aperture, all of that basic stuff. So after you've generated your image, like if I come here and click on this image that I've actually generated, you can see animate here. If you can either upscale, enhance, relight, in paint, angles, different things you can do here. But if I click on animate, I get this option. Now this panel opens up. Now, why I'm super excited is that they've added a whole lot of features to the Cinema Studio panel. So if I come here and click here, I can upload an extra image. I can add character and props. I can add an extra. I can choose the type of shot I want. So if I want the drone shot, if I want the dolly zoom, pan, whatever type of shot I want for my scene, I can select it here. And not just that, if I click back on the director panel, I get this speed ramp. So there's what they've added to the Cinema 2.0, whereby you can have the video generate different angles, like 3D angles around your character. So you're not just having a 2D type of video. You can have a panoramic view, or should I say a 360 view around your subject or whatever you're trying to generate. It's absolutely mind-blowing. I'm going to show you the videos soon, but let me just walk you through. So if I come here to speed ramp, I can choose the parts of the video that I'm generating that I want to speed up, where I want to slow, where I want to speed up, and I can increase the duration now up to 12 seconds. There are a lot of things. I can choose single shots, multi-shots. I can choose the aspect ratio. I can choose the quality. I can choose the type of video, general, and I can choose how many generations I want. Absolutely mind-blowing. So this is super exciting. I'm going to show you some of the videos now that we've gotten from this Cinema 2.0, so you can see some of the effects that we've covered here. Right then, this is some of the new features right here in the Cinema Studio. So we've gotten 3D scenes. You can now enter 3D images. Not just that, you can have grid exploration where you can preview your generations in 2x2 grids, 3x4, 3x3 grids, 4x4, all of that good stuff. We have gen-based motion. Now, this would let the AI understands the kind of movie or scene you're trying to go for. So if you're going for a comedy, if you're going for an adventure, epic, whatever type of western, whatever type of video you want to generate, this is where you have to set that out. If I go over to the Higgsfield studio, you can see right here. I click here, you can see action, horror, comedy, western, suspense, intimate, spectacle, all of that. I'll click back out. So that's where you get the genre of the video or scene that you're trying to create. We have a character system where you can upload up to 3 characters, and then those characters will appear in your scene sequentially as you want them to appear. We have I've talked about the speed ramp feature, multi-shots, like I've said. So all of that right here in the Cinema Studio 2.0. So I'm just going to walk you through all of the video generations that we've gotten so far from this latest Cinema Studio. It is absolutely mind-blowing. So let me just play some of them. You can see they've updated the emotion, so you can now get more emotions and different types of emotions now. With a single text prompt, your character would generate different emotions for different scenes. So let me just play some of the generations that we've gotten. This is mind-blowing. This is absolutely mind-blowing. The capabilities of this tool is beyond my comprehension. It is just insane. So this is the speed ramp feature I've been telling you about, and the 3D rendition of your subject or your scene. You can see this, how the camera went 360 round the subject. You can see, mind-blowing. So these are some of the generations that some of the new tools available to us right here in the Cinema Studio. So you can check this out right now on the Higgsfield platform. I'll leave all the links in the description so you can get access to this tool amongst every other tool I mentioned in this video. So I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.